Hey, what's up guys? It's June again at Chillin Racing. So today we're going to be changing the head gasket on the Honda Civic. Okay, so before we start taking things apart, you're going to want to make sure that the battery's unplugged and that the motor's in TDC. Telling you know exactly where it's at as far as the timing in the head and the short block. Then you can go ahead and drain the coolant, do whatever you got to do, intake, take the turbo off, manifold off. Clean the surface of the head as well as the block, and it's not a bad idea to make sure that all the tools are ready, and this will make your life easier during the process. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're about halfway there, and I forgot to mention that when you loosen the ARP studs on these motors, that you want to start in the middle out, crisscross, to even out the pressure without warping the block. And to make sure that the temperature of the motor is cold enough so you don't burn yourself, as well as having the motor in TDC, so you don't have to worry about the timing later on when you put the head gasket. So yeah.